Hey guys, Bruce Milligan here from Self Probe Repair Solutions. Just want to show you guys how to remove the on-off button on a Samsung S10. This is one that has already been taken apart. You can watch my take apart video if you'd like, and I can show you how to do that. Right now I'm just going to show you how to remove these, the volume down and the on-off button, as well as the bixby button here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so first off I want to apply a little bit of heat to the adhesive here on this. So I can pop that off as so. Alright, so now that guy's off. I'm now going to take my I'm going to pry these guys up a bit. Take that part off first, and that just comes out like that, and you can see it's got that's pretty good method, way better than the other design. Now you can see here it's got little area pieces, or little purple bits. I'm just going to take my tweezers like so, and I'm going to push on it like that. I'm going to take the tweezers and just grab them. Again, push on it, tweeze. Gonna heat this guy up here on this side. Lift it up. The one part comes off. The next part comes off. And then I'm gonna tweeze again. And there you go. There you go, pull it out. Because say we've replaced this because we replaced this part because it wasn't working properly. So now we just take this, push it into place. Take that, push it into place. Now we're going to take this guy. Actually, you know what? Let's put this guy on. Yeah, let's put this guy on first. Like so. And now we're going to take this. And we're going to put that into place. And there you go. Working all nicely. Alright, let's do it one more time on the other side. We're going to put this guy back into place. Yet again, you just slide it into the slot there. Then we put that in like so. And then you put this in like that. And voila, working nicely. Alright guys, like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.